Hi everyone! So today's video I am going to be doing the unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Box. I did a month of the Ipsy Glam Bag, but I became eligible to do the Glam Box right after that, so I decided to go ahead and just upgrade to the $25 package because I honestly just felt like it was a much better value considering you get 5 full-size products for $25. Even if it was just a drugstore brand, getting 5 of them for $25 is a pretty darn good deal. So that's why I went ahead and went with the box. So here it is, and let's check out what I got for June. Okay, so here is the insert of all of the items that I received. It just tells me about each of the little products, front and back. So there's that, that's always included. And then Ipsy came out with this eyeshadow palette. It's called Block Party. It's their TETRIS theme. Honestly, I think that I will probably only use a few of the shades in here as go-to shades because it is more of a just kind of a fun palette. The ones that I'll probably use more on like a daily basis is going to be the Skyline here, the Back to Back, and then probably T-Spin, the pretty pink shade Lime Clear, and then High Score, Purple, and the Top Out. I probably won't use those as frequently just because I'm not that super adventurous eye look person. I'm more of a natural looking eyes kind of gal. But that doesn't mean that I can't appreciate the brighter colors. I do them occasionally, just not my go-to thing. So let's go ahead and swatch these really quick just to see, because I have never used an actual Ipsy product. I will say Skyline's a little dusty. And all of these feel a little dusty. Back to Back is dusty. Let's see here. Okay, T-Spin's pretty. So yeah, I'll probably use T-Spin on my eyelids. Line Clear's very pretty. Top Out. And then High Score. Okay, so here are the shades. So like I said, in order here, we've got Skyline. Right next to it, you can barely see it because it's basically my skin tone. Back to Back. T-Spin is the silver. The pink is Lime Clear. Blue, Top Out. And then High Score for the purple. They're beautiful. The pigments are really pretty. The 4 of them are basically metallic. So if you don't like glittery metallic-y stuff, you probably wouldn't be pro to this palette because it only has 2 mattes, but they are really pretty colors. So again, this is their Tetris theme. I think they came in different colors, but this is the one that they sent to me. The next item that was sent to me is, I think this is pronounced Suva Beauty. This is a eyeliner, so it's a Hydra liner, cake eyeliner. So let's open this here. So let me open it all the way. This looks, just by looking through the thing here, it looks like a eyeshadow. And they sent me a brush here for eyeliner brush, which looks very nice. So based on the directions here, it says you can activate the eyeliner by wetting your brush, and it looks like basically you just get it to the consistency that you like for your eyeliner and then apply it. And here's the brush without the little stuff on it. Let's see. And that tip is nice and firm, so make sure you play with it a little bit so that you're not essentially stabbing yourself in the eye. This seems very interesting to me. I've never used a product like this for eyeliner, so I'm very excited to give this a try. And then I love that they sent a little brush to go with it. Then we have, I have no idea how to pronounce this brand. So this is a mascara, and it should be in, yep, shade black. So we'll just open this up really quick. I already have mascara on, so I'm not going to try this on right now because we're not going to get the actual effect. But here's the wand. Only concern about this one is my eyes, for whatever reason, things transfer so easily on me. So because the wand on this is so big, that's my only concern, but I'm sure it's gonna perform just fine. So I'm always excited to try new mascaras. My one thing that I always hope for when I find mascaras is that they're not so transfer proof. It does not matter. It always goes down on the bottom, and I will deliberately not do my lower lash line, and I'll still end up getting mascara down at the bottom because of smiling or whatever it is. So most of the time I need to use the waterproof so that it doesn't transfer. But Too Faced also makes a really good one. They're Better Than Sex. That waterproof one, that does not go anywhere. So very excited to try out this new one. Next, we have the 111 Skin by Harley St. London. This is a vitamin C brightening booster. I don't always use like serums and stuff. I do use like a hydrating one occasionally. I'm hoping that because this is vitamin C, it might help balance out some of my color that I have. I've got a lot of freckles, and then I also have a lot of red blotchiness, and I know that vitamin C can help with that. This smells very fresh and clean, so this is very nice. So I'm going to be giving this a try and see what it does for me. So excited to give that one a try. And then the last item they sent me is, I think this is pronounced Trestique. This is a matte color lip crayon, and then it has a shiny lip balm at the bottom of it, it looks like. Right here, just to see. Oh, and it's magnetic, so that's really nice. So this is a lip color. It's beautiful. It looks very close to something that I'm wearing today. And then you pull down at the bottom, and that's the balm. And the balm's just kind of this little shimmery light pink that you could probably just wear right over it. The matte doesn't feel like it would necessarily be drying. Sometimes I find that lip products, when they're matte, can be very drying to your lips, so you want to make sure that you are extra moisturized. Otherwise, your lips are just going to feel not so great sometimes. But this one doesn't feel like it would be that way. And then especially if you put this pretty topper on it, it has just a little bit of shimmer to it. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's pretty. So very excited to be playing with these products here in the future. I try to use my stuff pretty soon. So we'll see how I like them, and I will be doing my July box next month. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Thank you so much for following along with me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.